It looks good. I mean, yeah, if we'd had one that went all the way down, that would be maybe a notch nicer, but it's, you know, covering the part of the window that was causing the sun to really bother Dawn. So, a very low-cost solution to that problem. Better for me when I'm sleeping in late, too. Good morning, Stripe. Good morning, Morris. You got conference calls first thing again today?
2-hour one, yeah, from 10 to
noon.
But that's the only one.
Okay, for now.
For now, yeah. Well, this is working with those people in Europe. You gotta take the window when they got it.
I hear that. Tux decided to chase Slate up on the front porch, so I don't have my walking crew. Maybe they'll catch up in a minute.
I think they will. We'll see how much fun you're having.
I've been working on my Mineral Shop Lego building this morning. You can see a good bit of detail there, including the chickens. I've been working on the topper part this morning. It's pretty symmetric from side to side. You can see what it's looking like on top, including the extra beam supports and the track lights that are in there. I'm stopping for now, but that's a good bit more progress. Well, it's sunny, 57 degrees and gorgeous. I have left myself, I hope, enough time to run into Guardian Angel Apex for just a few minutes on my way to North Raleigh and Dr. Barnes and my chiropractic appointment. It's going on 1 p.m. here in Apex. I'm just getting ready to cross US 1, which I don't need to get on in order to go over to Guardian Angel Apex. And yeah, it's been pretty good bit of traffic out here today. Pretty though, very pretty. Blue sky. So Ruby says it's going to take me about 32 minutes to get up to the chiropractor's office. And so I probably want to leave myself 45 minutes. I got to be there at 3, so I'd have to leave here not later than 2:15, but really an hour in here probably ought to be good. So yeah, I'll be in the checkout line at 2. That's probably will work just fine. I found a bin of Legos. I'll ask them to open it up front just to make sure it's not Mega Blocks. I'm all loaded up in Ruby. It's 1:55 p.m. I am headed up to the chiropractor now. I've got 30 minutes to spare, so if I get distracted by a Pokemon, that's probably okay. Oh, Ruby feels so warm having sat out in the sun while I was in there. It feels great in the car right now. Oh joy, I get to go through the construction zone again. At least I don't have any lanes closed right now. I made it up here, no problems, 20 minutes to spare. I'm just listening to my audiobook before I walk in. So Ruby says I'll get home and I'll still have 31% charge. That's good. I did forget to plug in last night, but I left with 145 miles. I'm just headed straight to the house at this point. I'm currently sitting at 118, but with the temperature at 65, I ought to be getting peak efficiency today. Well, it's going on 4:30 and I'm back home. I got to say I was a little tired in the car this afternoon. Just, you know, the warm sunlight coming in. That's the best smile you got?
That's all I got, sweetie. I'm digging holes, and I got a lot of holes to dig. This is just the first one.
Well, you offered, though, well, because it's 65 and you're resting your foot. Although I'm not
exercise because my foot is bothering me when I run, and
can't waste a pretty day.
Can't waste a pretty day. I'm out here doing things that makes my girl happy.
Thank you, Donnie.
You're welcome.
One over there, two kind of back by where Tux is, if you can see him, and then one more up here. That's the 4 new camellias I had. Hey, Donnie.
Pretty girl.
I'm trying to get him smiling while he's digging.
Yeah.
Buttering him up a little bit.
Yeah, well, she says she's got me some stuff in there. Eggs, devil eggs, guacamole, all kind of good stuff for me to bake.
Bacon.
Some of that fancy
Pepper bacon. Yep.
All right, sweet pea. I think that whole big piece enough.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, we couldn't quite come up where we want these other 2 big plants to go, so we didn't plant them today. And Don is fixing a birdhouse hole that the squirrels chewed out. We bought a metal guard, and they did a number on this birdhouse, didn't they?
Yeah.
So Don's having to do surgery on the birdhouse door.
Doing surgery on the birdhouse.
Yeah, new piece of wood and a metal guard.
And the metal guard, so hopefully it won't happen again.
Yeah, this is for brown nuthatch, which are endangered. They need a particularly small hole even to keep the bluebirds out. So we want to help these guys along. We did have them nest in it one year.
Yes, we have. We're going to have to find a new cup. This hole is the cup.
Looks like it's ready to go back on, but since there's a little glue, are you going to wait and to put it back out there tomorrow?
That would probably be the
Let it dry in the garage overnight, and then...
Yeah, I think you're smart. I think that's a good idea. But anyway, so I took, none of this wood is treated. This is just simple pine.
Or it was cedar.
Or cedar. Well, this is what I had.
Right.
So,
well, if you have to replace that in 3 years, so what?
Yeah, I put this piece in because it was so damaged over on this side.
Yeah, show us the back side. Hold it up.
Yeah.
The squirrel
not me.
really did a number. No, that came like that.
But I put this piece in. This was the piece that was still across the top, that was still hanging on. This is
by a thread. Yeah.
By a thread. So I just took it and cut that and stuck it in there and glued it on, and so hopefully it'll stay.
Right. I think for sure it'll last through this season and possibly several seasons. So, but the squirrel. Whoops.
Oh, well, it's a Tesla t-shirt of some type.
Yeah, go ahead and open it.
Let me wash my hands. I'm sorry. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, it's long sleeve.
Yeah, and that one should fit nice and, can be an undershirt, nice and snug. It's a medium.
Yeah.
Since you've lost so much weight.
Yeah. Way cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I guess it's
That's
meant
pretty.
to have the sleeves fold up because there's a button on the sleeve.
Yeah. I can't figure that out. Some kind of fancy something or another.
Yep.
Way cool. Oh, it's got a strap on the inside. That's what it is. Yeah, it keeps your sleeves from falling down. There you go. So you roll up your sleeve.
And then that if you want it, huh?
And then you
Huh,
put it
that's
down
pretty
on the
cool.
button. I had a shirt like that one. A shirt like that. A safari-like shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, way cool.
Cool.